Hello traders. In this video, we will be looking at our trading panel for moving average and how we can use it to automatically trade the price breaking above or below moving averages. Now here I have applied this chart on 30-minute NZD USD, and here we can see the price is between 20 and 50 moving average, and the candle has not closed below 50 moving average yet, and previously 50 moving average was offering support. Now here we can have two conditions: one, price moves above 20 moving averages and goes on continuation, or the price can close, this candle can close below this 50 moving average and can continue lower towards retest of 200 moving average. Now we'll try to trade both conditions, and I'll show you how you can do it using our trade panel. Now in first condition, what we have is we want to buy, we are looking for a buy trade, and we want to buy if candle closes about 20 MA, and we want to set 30 pips of TP. We can also take partial take profit. We are going to set 15 pips, and stop loss we are going to use this 50 moving average. So if candle closes below 50 moving average, and if we are in buy trade, we want to exit the buy position. Now let's start entering these settings in my trade panel. Now here we have order type. I'll set buy. Enter mode is close above the 20 moving average. MA type SMA. You can also set EMA, but normally we use SMA, so SMA is default. Now time frame we have to set 30 minute. Which period we want, like which moving average we want to use as entry? It's 20. So the price goes about 20 MA, the candle will we will have a buy setup. It's a lot, it's zero point 0.1 lot. Take profit, I can set the take profit. We decided we will be putting 30 pips, so I'll set 30 pips at take profit. And partial close is where I want to take a partial profit, and this is our 15 pips of partial profit. Now this and at TP1 or partial profit, we can decide how much of our trade we want to exit. Like this is 50%. If you said 50%, half of your trade will be closed when TP1 is hit. Now stop loss, I said we want 50 moving average stop loss. So you can either set price, how many pips of stop loss you want, or let's say I want to use 20 moving average, 50 moving average stop loss. So I'll set close below 50 moving average, and here I have to choose time frame also, 50 moving average in 30 minutes. And break even, I can set an auto or manual break even. What that break even means, if when the price will hit TP1, the stop loss will automatically move to break even. And all done. Now just I have to set active trade, and here you will get all the information about the settings which you inserted and what he is going to do. He is gonna buy zero point 0.1 at close above 20 SMA in 30-minute time frame. TP1 is 30 pips, and SL is close below 50 MA in 30 minutes. Partial close is 15 pips, which will close 50% of lot. So if you think your some setting is wrong or you forgot something, you can cross check from here, and you can be sure that all settings and everything inserted is correct. Now this was the condition when we wanted the price to close above 20 MA. Okay, but as we have been setting that trade, we see the price has already crossed below 50 MA. So close below 50 MA, we wanted to sell, but there is no time right now to set these conditions on trade panel because the price is already closed. In any case, I'll just tell you how to do it, and then we will be looking at third condition, which will be, for example, if price comes down up to here to 200 moving average, we may expect the price to bounce. So in the third condition, we will be looking to uh, buy on touch of 200 MA. Now, let's see our second condition, which was to sell if price closed below 50 SMA. Here, what we can do, I'll put the sell order type, and from close above, I will move it to close below. SMA type will remain SMA. Time frame 30 minutes. Moving average period will be 50. Lot size is zero point 0.1. Now here take profit, we decided that we want to take profit at touch of 200 SMA. So if price closes below and keeps moving down towards 58 200 SMA, I want to take my profit at retest of 200 SMA. So at take profit, I'll remove this. I'll set 200 MA. Partial close we are not using right now. And for the stop loss, I want to use 50 moving average. But now, since we are in sell, if price closes above 50 moving average, for example, the price has closed below 50 SMA average, and we should be in sell right now. But if price reverses and again closes above 50 SMA, I don't want to stay in the trade. So what I'm doing, I will be using my 50 SMA as a stop loss here. Again, same time frame 30, and I don't need a break even setting here because I'm not taking partial profit. Active trade. Now you see EA is showing you that prices, the settings have been updated, and the these are the settings. Sell 0.01 at close below 50 SMA in 30-minute time frame, and TPA is 200 MA. So if this setting would have been inserted in my in this EA before the candle closed, because it is always considering the last candle close price, and it will update itself only after after the next candle closes. So if we would have updated this before this candle closed in 30 minutes, then right now it would have opened as a sell trade with 50 moving average as a stop loss and 200 moving average as a take profit. Right now, let's say a third condition, which would be if price continues lower, it will test the 200 SMA, and we expect a little bit bounce from this point on the retracement, and we can trade that also using our trade panel moving average. So what I'll do, I want to buy, for example, right now we have condition that if the price touches 200 moving average on the browns, I want to buy, but I don't want to stay in trade if price closes below 200 moving average. So that will be a kind of scalping setup. So what I'll do is I'll set here, first of all let me reset, so all settings, it's fresh to put all settings. Now I will set buy on order type. In the enter mode, rather than close above or close below, I want to retest MA. Okay, retest MA means when the price touches that MA. Time frame is 30 minutes and MA period is 200. So by inserting these setting, I will be buying at touch of 200 SMA. Not take profit, since it's kind of scalping. I'll say 10 pips. Or if you want, if you think the price gonna come down and bounce from here and again retest 50 SMA, you can set 50 SMA also as your take profit. Okay, whatever you like. And I'm not using any partial close because that's kind of scalping trade. Stop loss will be close below 200 SMA, because what do we want is we want to buy on touch of 200 SMA, but I don't want to stay in trade if price keeps going lower, it closes below 200 SMA. And the time frame is always 30 minutes. Let's activate the trade. You get all the settings which we have inserted is buy 0.01 at retest of 200 SMA, time frame 30 minutes, TP is 10 pips, and stop loss is if price closes below 200 SMA in 30 minutes. So this is how we can trade three types of setups, both price closing above for buy or price closing below for sale or inversely, or the retest of any SMA. Like if price touches that SMA, you can have a buy or sell setup. Thank you.